Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using Linfo AI to create an effective mind map. Before we jump into the steps, I encourage you to explore Linfo AI by clicking the link provided in the description below. This will help you get familiar with the platform and its capabilities. To create a mind map of a YouTube video using Linfo AI, the first step is to visit the Linfo AI website and either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you haven't done so already. Linfo AI is an excellent platform that offers tools designed for video analysis and transcription, making it easy for users to extract valuable information from video content. Once you're logged in, the next step is to input the URL of the YouTube video you wish to analyze. Linfo AI will automatically extract the transcript of the video if it is available, or it will provide a summary of the key points from the video content. For this demonstration, I will be using a video from my own YouTube channel. After Linfo AI has processed the video, take some time to analyze the transcript or the summary it generated. It's important to pay close attention to the flow of the video, identifying the main topics or arguments that the speaker presents. As you do this, look for key sections, including major concepts, relevant examples, and important conclusions that are made throughout the video. Once you've identified these key points, you can begin creating your mind map by organizing the central ideas of the video. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement of your mind map and have incorporated all the relevant information, the final step is to export or save your mind map. This completed map can then be utilized for various purposes, such as reviewing the video's content, presenting the information to others, or even studying it for future reference. By summarizing the video content and structuring it visually, Linfo AI makes the process of creating a mind map both fast and efficient, allowing you to easily grasp complex information. Now let's move on to the next part where we'll create a mind map from text. Creating a mind map from text using Linfo AI is a straightforward process. Start by entering your text here. After the upload is complete, Linfo AI will process the text, and you'll have the option to generate a mind map based on its content. This automated process allows you to capture the essential information quickly. Once the mind map is generated, take a moment to review it and make any necessary edits to tailor it to your preferences. This step is crucial to ensure that the mind map accurately reflects the key concepts and ideas you want to highlight. Finally, after you have finalized your mind map, look for options to save or export it. You can typically choose from formats such as PDF, image, or text, making it easy to use for study purposes, presentations, or for personal reference later on. That's how you can create mind maps using Linfo AI. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to follow along by using the link provided in the description below.